In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve profile locking not showing on Facebook. Guys, ensure that you watch the video to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. And please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks guys. Let's begin. Open Facebook app and click your profile on the top right corner. Then click on Help and Support. You will scroll down and click on Help and Support. Then click on Report a Problem. Then click on Continue to report a problem. Now click Include in Report. Now here you can choose profile. Look for profile. It is just right here. Click on it and describe your issue. Now why are we describing our issue? Why are we coming to this page? It is because this is the only way that we can tell Facebook so that we can be able to access the profile locking, because we do not have it on settings. Now I will write the description and you will key in the description that I'm going to tell you. Now just copy my description and write, I am currently missing the option of locking my profile. I need my profile locked. Just write that. I am currently and click send. And we will wait for Facebook to reply on our issue after 2 days, and our profile option will be open. Guys, that's how to solve the issue of profile missing. And thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one.